My name is Michael Oguine, guard on the University of Montana basketball team, business marketing major. My parents came over from Nigeria in the 90s, so I'm a first-generation American. My parents moved to Los Angeles and where I was born. The Lakers were doing well at the time too, so that kind of really got me interested in basketball. I would be watching, Kobe and Shaq, and I wanted to be like them. My mom had a little hoop for me, and I would just start shooting on that. Growing up, academics was really important for all of us. It was important that we, focus on our studies. Sports in general was kind of something that was, a little bit of an afterthought. Like, education was the most important thing. They set a good path for me, kind of set the bar pretty high. Playing at Division I school has been a dream of mine ever since I was young. See all those guys, see all that passion, see all the fans. You're really representing your school, like having a whole school on your chest, like when you're playing. That was really cool for me, and to make it here, I'm very grateful. Many people don't get this opportunity, so I really want to make the most out of it. Having that academic foundation is very important for when things don't work out in sports, like they don't always do. I just want to say thank you, to all the people that help myself, help others, help my peers.